Hey guys, I hope you all are having an amazing and fabulous day today. I know I am, because we are going to be unboxing my The Box by Fashionsta. This is my August box, and I've been putting off unboxing this box for two reasons. Number one, because I wanted to get my investigation video out. If you guys have not seen that yet, I'm going to link it right up here for you. Look, you guys, I seriously spent 2 solid weeks investigating this box for you guys and putting that video together. So definitely check it out. It puts all the rumors to rest. But secondly, the other reason I am super excited is because I have two September subscription The Boxes to give away to 2 of you guys. So if that sounds exciting, then stay tuned. All right, you guys, so I'm just gonna be really honest. I already kind of opened my box for a couple of reasons. Number one, because I heard a lot of rumors, and again, I was doing my investigation video. But number two, because you guys know I wanted to just check everything, make sure everything, added up correctly, which it does. So as you guys know, you get a card, which, by the way, if you did not know, Fashionsta has a box, and they also have a website where you can get products like same products that you get at like Sephora and stuff for discounted deals. So I do have a code down below for you. I think it's Alexandra. If you use that code, it is an affiliate code. I told you guys last month I did start affiliate links with them last month to test them out. I still have not received any compensation for those yet. I will keep you up to date. But if you would like to use those codes, you can get 20% off your purchase through Fashionsta's website. Also, if you want to sign up for the box, I will leave the link for that down below. So when you open it up, that is what it looks like. I really love, honestly, the feeling, just the feeling of this box. I'm not even joking, you guys. For those that have not received it yet, the box itself and how they package it, it's just, it feels very luxe to me. Like, I don't know about the rest of you guys, but to me, it just gives you a very luxe feeling. All right, so let's go ahead and dig on into this thing. Now, the first product I'm going to pull out is actually a product that I received last month. And I know you guys, I told you guys you would not receive double products, but they saw how much I love this product, and they actually messaged me and asked me if it was okay to send this to me again. If not, they were going to send me a different variation. And I was like, yes, please. So this is the Alti Air Eye Primer. You guys, if you've been watching my videos this entire month, any of my try-ons, I have been wearing this product out. I absolutely love it so very much. I had somebody ask me, they're like, does it feel kind of waxy? And a little bit, but not really. It's when you put it on, I mean, it's just a very smoothing effect, and it just makes applying your eyeshadow, I mean, like the blendability of things, like it's amazing. If you have not tried it yet, try it. It is amazing. All right, the next item in here is we have a beauty blusher by Beauty Blender. Now, these normally retail for, I think, like $15 to $20. So let's see. I think, yes, this one says $16. So we know that's right. All right, the next item, and this is the item actually was the reason I opened this box, was to check this out because there were some questions about this item. So this is the Assault by Hendrix Cocoa Lips Hydrating Lip Tint in the color Ruby. Now, I did receive a Assault by Hendrix product last month. If you have not tried that brand, you guys, they are just amazing. Their skincare, I mean, it's just amazing. Their oils are amazing. So this was nothing but amazing too. So, it's like a cocoa kind of balm lip tint thing, nothing crazy. I mean, it's, make sure you screw your lid back on very tight though, or it will dry up because of the ingredients that it has in there. So I did want to point that out to you guys, but I didn't have any problems with my product. Just, again, throwing that out there. And now I need to you know, it doesn't give you a super tint, just to show you guys, but just a little bit of a tint, you know. It's more for like moisturizing your lips more than tinting your lips, you know what I'm saying? The next thing we have in here is from Girl Lactic. This is a matte lip paint. We all know who Girl Lactic is. This is also one of the many brands on their website, so if you want to purchase other Girl Lactic products, you can for a discounted price, which I love about Fashionsta. I love that. I love that they have that store. So let's check this out. By the way, this retails for $23. You guys can see the little doe foot there, just a regular, you know, literally doe foot. Ooh, I love that color. And this is really creamy. Like, I wish I didn't already have something. I just want to like put it on my lips, but I already have something on. Normally we do try-ons, but I'm not doing one during this video because of the fact that we're doing the giveaway, and I didn't want to make this video super, super long. But you guys, that is just beautiful. So you got your lip moisturizer, you got your lipstick, just saying. All right, the next product is the Aurora Powder by Sigma, and this is in the color Pet Name. This was another product that there was a lot of questions about, but you know, again, watch the video, all right? So as you can see, it's a really light colored blush. I don't normally wear blushes quite that light, so I'm not gonna swatch it or anything because I will probably put this in a giveaway, but it's very pretty, and I do like Sigma's Aurora powders. I actually have one somewhere else, and I tried to find it before I started doing this video, but you guys, my makeup room is like, yeah, that's all I'm gonna say. All right, and oh, by the way, this retailed for $19, which Sigma products, they're expensive. Their brushes are super expensive. If you guys have not tried any, I would highly recommend, if you don't have any Sigma brushes, you need the E40 and the E25 in your life. Like, I'm telling you, if you just have those two brushes alone, you could do so many looks, and they're just that amazing. And they have 2-year guarantees. Just, I love Sigma. You guys that have been here for a while, you know that already though. All right, the next product, and I already like pulled it out of the box. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just excited this video, you guys. All right, so this is the Everyday Soothe Operator Very Hydrating Face and Body Mist with Aloe, Cockadoo Plum, and Desert Lime. I doubt that's really what that word is, but I'm just going to show you guys. Cockadoo. Okay, so I'm really interested, and I kind of, let's see what kind of mister this has got. Ooh, I don't know if I'm like that. Ooh, oh my god, that smells amazing. Hello. So I don't like the way the mister sprays, so I'm not gonna spray this on my face. Oh, but that smells amazing. But you guys, oh, look. I told you guys I was going to save this. So I did not like the Pixie spray that was in here, but I told you guys I love this mister. This is the most amazing mister ever. So I think I'm going to put this product in this bottle so I can use this mister because this smells amazing. Oh my gosh. What does this say? Okay, before bravely venturing out into the world, spray your face with this aloe vera based hydrating mist. It'll boost even the most dehydrated skin with the extreme TLC you'd usually reserve for relieving a wicked hangover. Oh, wow. Okay, well, I don't really, you guys know, drink because I'm like one and done. But yeah, that smells really good. And I cannot wait. As soon as I take my makeup off tonight, I'm gonna try this out. I'm a little excited to have that. And it smells really good. Like, it's not an overpowering strong smell. You can definitely smell the aloe vera in it. And it's, oh my gosh, it's definitely really hydrating for real. I can feel like it's not oily, but it's like, it's weird. It's almost like I put a lotion on, you know? But it smells amazing. I love aloe vera smelling kind of stuff though. So, all right, last but not least, we have the Real Her Shadow Palette, and I have number 2. So this retailed for $28, and let's see if I can open this somehow without absolutely destroying the packaging, because I think I may already have this palette. I don't know. We'll see. We're gonna see. And if I do, you guys know I'll put it in a giveaway for you. Thank you. Little thank you card in there. All right. Ooh, I love Real Her's packaging. Like, it's just, a lot of people were complaining about these palettes, and I'm like, have you ever used their eyeshadow? Like, seriously? Okay. Here we go. And I love this. They have the little thing here, and then they have a little thing on the mirror. So of course it's got a mirror inside. That's what the palette looks like. So I don't know. I don't think this is the same palette. But just in case, I'm gonna not swatch it. But if you, like I said, I've used, and I know I do have a Real Her palette, I just don't know. So this is the Do Your Squats palette. So I don't think it's this one. Man, I don't know. I'm gonna have to look, you guys, but the point is, just in case, I don't want to stick my fingers in it, because you guys know how I feel about wasting product. I'm just not okay with that. All right, so total value of my box this month is $160. I am so excited that I finally got it, because for those of you that don't know, my box actually got lost by USPS this month, which sucked. So, you know, stuff happens. You guys know how that goes, and I'm like ready to strangle USPS and UPS and sometimes FedEx, but they're hit or miss, but USPS for sure. All right, so let's go ahead and talk about this giveaway, because I am really excited for 2 of you guys about this. All right, you guys, so if you want a chance to enter to win your very own September The Box, which we don't know right now if they're even going to open the wait list for everyone or not. So if you haven't gotten off the wait list yet, this is your chance to possibly get your hands on the box. This is what you got to do to enter. All right, so you obviously got to be subscribed, and just to let you guys know, I do check. All right, so you got to be subscribed, you got to like this video, and then comment down below. And guess what, you guys, you can comment whatever you want, and you can comment as many times as you want, because I'm going to do this completely differently. You guys know I always use a comment picker, so normally I only say comment once, but I want everybody to have a fair and even chance, and have as many chances as you possibly would like to have. So comment as many times as you want down below, and every time you comment, that's another chance to win. So again, you have to like this video, you have to be subscribed, and then you have to comment down below whatever you want. Tell me how your day is, tell me why you want the box, have you subscribed to the box, are you on the wait list, what's your favorite brand of makeup. I don't care what, you guys, just whatever you do, please don't copy and paste the same comment over and over and over again, because I will delete those. But anything else is fair game. Of course, obviously, we don't do hate, we don't do bullying, but anything else, fair game. Comment as many times as you want, and I love you guys so very much. I do have 2 other giveaways going on, which I will put right here for you. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow with our next unboxing, which I am super excited to share with you guys. I'm actually getting ready to film it right now. All right, so love you. Bye.